This is a 50 pack of 1/4 by 20, 1 1/2 inch long pan head stainless steel 304 machine screws. I was given this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you $21. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinions remain my own. Alright, so in the bag here, there's supposed to be 50 screws, and we will check length. So this is basically 1.5 right there from the bottom of the pan head to the screw there. Outside's 0.22244. And checking against a 1/4 by 20 threaded nut here. The 1/4 by 20 threading is correct. So these claim to be 304 stainless steel, and I believe that because when I tap this super strong magnet to it, I'm getting basically almost no magnetic attraction here. This guy here is very similar, is also stainless steel. So I do believe these are 304 stainless steel pan head, or Phillips head there. So they are what they claim to be. One screw weighs in at, well, I'm not sure if it's 9 or 10 grams there. If it's 10 grams, then we'd expect the whole bag to weigh 500. If it's 9 grams, we'd expect the whole bag to weigh just slightly less. So I'm getting 470 here, 478. Divide that by 50 and we get 9.5 grams. So I'm willing to believe that each of these is 9.5 grams, and they've given me 50 screws in here. It's pretty close to 50. It's either 48 or 50. So if you need a 50 pack of stainless steel machine screws, this is exactly that.